The world of extreme adventure vehicles has never been the same since Apocalypse Manufacturing started building their iconic 6x6 beasts, and now they've taken things to an entirely new level with the 2026 Apocalypse Hellfire 6x6 camper. This isn't just a machine built for the road. It's built to conquer everything the world throws at you, while giving you a mobile fortress that doubles as a home. The Hellfire 6x6 camper is a bold response to those who demand survival capability, luxury and dominance in one package. Imagine the most aggressive off-road truck fused with a high-end camper, then multiplied with 6 wheels of pure power, and you'll start to picture what this beast delivers. At its core, the 2026 Apocalypse Hellfire 6x6 camper is engineered for unstoppable capability. The foundation lies in its triple-axle 6x6 setup, built for crushing through sand dunes, snow, rocky terrain, and muddy trails without hesitation. With its lifted suspension, massive 40-inch off-road tires and reinforced axles, this camper thrives where regular vehicles would give up. The ground clearance is immense, allowing you to glide over obstacles as if they don't even exist. Powering this monstrous camper is a supercharged V8 engine pushing over 800 horsepower, ensuring that no terrain, no climb, and no expedition is beyond its reach. Whether you're crawling up mountainsides or roaring down desert highways, the Hellfire delivers unrelenting force. But unlike most hardcore off-roaders, the 2026 Hellfire 6x6 camper isn't just about raw dominance. It's also about transforming survival into comfort. Apocalypse Manufacturing knew that adventurers don't just need a vehicle. They need a self-sustaining base camp. Step inside the camper unit, and you'll find a surprising blend of rugged utility and high-end luxury. There's a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction cooktop, sink, and compact fridge, ensuring you can prepare meals no matter how far off grid you are. The seating area transforms into a cozy sleeping space with premium materials, mood lighting, and climate control so you can stay comfortable in extreme weather conditions. This camper isn't just about convenience, it's about independence. The roof integrates solar panels with a powerful battery management system, giving you renewable energy for all your needs. Paired with an onboard water filtration system and auxiliary fuel tanks, the Hellfire allows extended expeditions without depending on outside resources. Apocalypse has also added smart storage solutions, so everything from survival gear to outdoor equipment has its place. With an integrated awning and outdoor cooking setup, the Hellfire creates a home base that feels like a command center in the middle of the wilderness. The exterior design is nothing short of intimidating. Wide fenders, aggressive steel bumpers, a winch system, and a battle-ready front grille make the 2026 Hellfire 6x6 look like a vehicle straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie. The camper module blends seamlessly with the truck's aggressive lines, featuring armored panels, reinforced glass, and an imposing stance that screams dominance. LED light bars wrap around the roofline, turning night into day when you need maximum visibility. Whether you're parked at a remote cliff edge or rolling through urban streets, the Hellfire's presence demands respect. Safety and tech have not been overlooked. Apocalypse has equipped the Hellfire with state-of-the-art navigation, satellite connectivity, and multiple camera systems for full situational awareness. The cockpit is futuristic, combining rugged switches with digital displays, keeping the driver in total control of both the truck and the camper systems. Advanced off-road assist programs, differential locks, and traction control ensure that every wheel delivers maximum grip, even in the harshest conditions. What sets the 2026 Hellfire 6x6 camper apart is the balance between chaos-ready durability and comfort-driven livability. It's not just a vehicle for weekend campers. It's built for explorers, survivalists, and anyone who wants to push beyond the limits of civilization without sacrificing luxury. This is the machine for those who dream of escaping the ordinary, those who want their journey to be limitless, and those who refuse to compromise when it comes to power and freedom. Apocalypse Manufacturing has once again proven that they aren't just building trucks, they're building legends. The 2026 Hellfire 6x6 camper is more than transportation. It's a declaration of dominance, independence, and adventure. It tells the world that no terrain is unconquerable, no journey is too long, and no dream is impossible when you have a rolling fortress at your command. For those who crave the ultimate in off-road luxury and survival, The Hellfire 6x6 camper isn't just a vehicle, it's the future of exploration.